Hey everyone, the Asus ExpertBook P1 is a laptop crafted with a specific aim: to serve as a reliable, straightforward tool for office tasks, studying, and daily productivity. Rather than attempting to dazzle with a showy design or high-end materials, it emphasizes reliability, performance, and practicality. The ExpertBook P1 configuration being examined includes an AMD Ryzen 7 CPU, 32 gigs of RAM, and a high-speed 1 terabyte SSD. This makes it significantly more powerful than what many would anticipate from a business laptop in this category. Upon first inspection, the ExpertBook P1 appears to be utilitarian and reserved. The chassis, made of matte gray plastic, does not attract attention, but it has a solid and purposeful feel. The surface is effective at resisting fingerprints and minor scratches, which is crucial for a device intended for daily use and frequent transport. The laptop conforms to the MIL-STD 810H military standard, indicating it is designed to endure pressure, small impacts, and unintentional contact with moisture. It includes a full numeric keypad, which is a significant benefit for users dealing with numbers, spreadsheets, or accounting software. The key travel is moderate, and the typing experience is pleasant, with distinct tactile feedback. The touchpad, which is smooth and large, supports all standard gestures of Windows. It provides precise tracking and responds instantly. The integrated fingerprint scanner, which slightly reduces the usable navigation area of the touchpad, is one small compromise. It features a USB Type-C port with power delivery, a full-size HDMI port, several USB Type-A ports, and a gigabit Ethernet port for reliable wired internet. The display measures 15.6 inches, features a panel with full HD resolution, and has a matte surface. It is obviously directed towards productivity, not amusement. The text is clear, working with spreadsheets and documents is easy, and the matte finish minimizes reflections. The brightness level is average, which works well for indoor use, but might feel insufficient in direct sunlight. The Asus ExpertBook P1 offers truly robust performance for both daily and professional tasks. The AMD Ryzen 77735HS processor offers ample power for multitasking. The system feels consistently responsive thanks to the combination of 32 gigs of dual-channel DDR5 RAM and a fast NVMe-based 1 terabyte SSD, simultaneously running multiple resource-demanding applications. Dozens of browser tabs, document editing, and video conferencing can occur without any slowdowns. A contemporary Wi-Fi 6 adapter with Bluetooth 5.4 support manages wireless connectivity. In real-world use, Wi-Fi performance remains stable even on congested networks, facilitating the seamless operation of cloud services, large file downloads, and online databases. Considering the size and performance level of this laptop, the battery life is commendable. When dealing with documents, surfing the internet, and joining video conferences, the 63WH battery can provide roughly 8 hours of practical usage. This is sufficient to last an entire workday without the need for constant searches for an outlet. The Asus ExpertBook P1 demonstrates reliability and a good balance as a work laptop in daily use. It provides robust performance in office and multitasking situations, a reliable battery, superb connectivity, and a sturdy chassis designed for extended use. Although it lacks premium materials and a high-end display, it makes up for this with reliability, hardware that is friendly to upgrades, and well-considered design choices. The Asus ExpertBook P1 is a reliable and practical option for those who work in offices, students, and professionals that prioritize performance and stability over ostentatious aesthetics. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.